hurt my feelings. Wait, don't close it. Get a fork though.
Plastic forks.
To mix this shit up. I don't want to wash dishes.
Yeah, and like, it's just another day, bro. What we doing?
The mute, deaf, and
Mute,
blind.
deaf, and blind cooking. You know what I'm saying? Cookie brownies. I don't know how to do no baking. Like, who idea this was? It was yours or yours?
It was a collective.
Yeah, you listen. Shut up.
She broke. I get money. Go over there.
Bro, why is you yelling?
Ow. What you reaching for? Just stand still.
You can't talk.
Oh. I'm scared my home.
Why the fuck is she over here yelling in my ear though?
Ow! He hit me, y'all. He slapped me in my nose. Don't be swinging your heavy ass arm. I'm finna go. This is second time hitting me. And y'all told me not to hit him. But this is second time hitting me. I'm finna have a black eye. Come on, you gotta cook. Oh, you gotta turn the stove on. On what?
You gotta push, damn.
350. You gotta put the stove on 350, hit bake. You know your shit.
I don't.
It's right there. Hit that, that's bait. Hit it.
Bro, you do it, nigga.
You told me it
but you can fucking see this
He
shit.
yelling too loud, I can hear him.
Cause you can see it, bro, so you click it.
Wait, never mind.
We won't follow no rules on this one.
I don't even know what he said. I'm just laughing. You watch.
Alright, bro, come on, cook the brownies, gang.
Okay.
Nigga, you gotta cook
Come
it.
on. Okay, you gotta hit bait.
You say I gotta hit that shit like I can see
hit
it.
that. And then hit this. Up. Yep, there you go. And then what you supposed to hit back again or something?
Start, nigga.
Oh, it ain't no start.
Oh, I think, is it
It
like,
just come on?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, sorry. I think it's on.
She over there.
Oh, there it goes.
She beating on
Stop putting your
bro,
arms
she
up.
beating, bro. You hear her over there beating on something, bro?
Come on.
Get your big teeth ass on.
Okay, you gotta just. At the end of the day, you know your house, so stop.
At the end of the day, I'm blind.
Nigga talking to a woman, she can't hear you.
Okay. You gotta no, for real, don't do too much.
We don't do that here.
I'm so dead ass.
Can I open it?
Yeah, open it.
Alright. God damn.
Ugh. Nobody know where. Nobody know where your shit went. Come on.
Okay, but you hold.
Huh? What you said?
Wait.
He said something about my mama.
Hey, wait, did you rinse this out?
That's the bowl.
Did you rinse
Hold it in there. Did you rinse it? Oh, she ain't rinsed it yet.
Come on,
You
honey.
nasty. Okay, pour it in here. The bowl right there. Now pour that in there.
Yeah, nigga. What I gotta do?
Damn.
Help me! Help!
I need y'all to talk to her. Hey, you.
She can't say shit either. He can't have no fucking report. Goddamn, come here, man, that.
You not supposed to ignore us. Like, you're not supposed to talk.
Now she trying to abandon that.
She keep breaking the drawer.
I hear it, guys. Damn, my shit already broke. My shit already hanging up. My shit already discombobulated.
Is he cussing? He better cuss you out.
Yeah, I catch you.
Huh?
You shut the
How
fuck
much
up,
is
too.
supposed to be in here? 2 of these and 1 of these. Eggs, okay? I did eat a glizzy today. Wait, no, Diddy, no, real.
Yo.
Wait, no,
Yo.
real.
Yo. You got a glizzy mouth, bro.
Okay. Why you ain't crack it on the bowl? Huh?
Nigga. I'm that nigga.
Okay. Ew, what's that little black shit?
Women. Hey yo, what the
Y'all forgot. Y'all gotta be blind too. Let nigga. Okay. Yeah. Alright, bro. Come on, let's go to the next step. Where I'm at?
Don't step though. Don't step. You gonna drop the stuff. I mean, you gonna step in the egg.
Bro, where the fuck I'm at then?
Huh? Where you at? You mad? You mad?
No, bro. I just don't know where I'm at. You see
Okay,
I'm
hold
at
up.
all
You in front of the sink. Calm down.
Where the fuck?
Ooh, nigga, all the niggas do is wah. Here, the bowl right there.
How the hell I get up
Give me
there?
this. Give me this. I can throw it away. Where the trash? Okay. What we on next? How many of them? 5 of them? We ain't got nothing bigger? Wait. You moving a little too fast. Slow down. Slow down, mamas. Oh. I was rinsing it out. Okay. Bro, wait, pause. Wait. It gotta be a bigger one of these.
Come on now, dog. Come on.
What the fuck you clapping at?
Bro, don't we need more? Okay. Hey. Whatever.
Bro, who back there
Like
playing
5
in
of
the
these?
water? God damn.
4.
Bro, is that your ass, bro?
Okay, here. You got the 4 in this. You got the, and 5. You gonna need 5 of them.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
5. You not pouring shit, I promise. You ain't pouring a goddamn thing.
So like,
Wait, cause what if you put too much? Then we gonna be fucked.
we living on rich.
Bro, you not even at the the right part.
2,000 years later.
Bro, keep going. You ain't poured it yet.
I'm trying to.
There it go. Stop. Okay, now pour it in there.
You laying in here.
There you go. Okay, one more time.
I got the feeling. Chat, we came all type of unprepared, bro. This is hood baking, ain't it? No cap.
Y'all know I did it. I'm not good. Yo. You gotta watch this shit though.
What?
Hey, why y'all taking y'all time?
That shit is not even
Nobody's
fair,
like
bro.
doing this shit right now. I don't know why you got the tripod off.
They told me to put it on.
Yeah, that's straight.
Oh, this shit gotta be
No, you can't talk, but you gotta help me. And so give me the whiz.
She was talking about us. she.
Nigga, you can't talk no more.
He keep talking. Here, you need the mic. Talking ass.
I was just there.
Where he at? It's just quiet as fuck. I don't like this shit. I'm gonna take it off. Here, take this. Here. Oh, you can't eat salt. I don't even know where you need that.
What a fucking nigga.
Hold up. Okay, come on. Where am I? This the bowl? Oh, this the red bowl.
Oh shit, I'm dumb as fuck. I'm sorry.
I don't hear shit.
I don't hear nothing.
Nobody
I
is talking
either.
about nothing.
I'm crying. Hey, just don't go so crazy with it. You gonna have the mix everywhere. Go like,
Hey, don't be yelling.
Alright, make sure you scrap sides a little bit.
Bro, get the fuck up. Bro, somebody back up. Everybody feels too close. There's 3 people around me. Hey! What happened? I'm hungry.
You need some new beats. Your shit not loud.
Who did that? I know it was Noonie. I know it.
What's your password?
Oh, I'm gonna get him when I can see. Oh, I ain't even gotta see. I watched Jackie Chan movies.
0-2-20.
Why is nobody helping me cook? Where the thing at? Is it in
For you hoes.
Noonie, is it in the bowl? Is where the mixing thing? Oh, it's right there.
Hold on.
Wait, what?
Yeah, keep stirring. That shit's still thick as hell. It's still
Alright, twin. Oh, cool. Just chill. Chill. How you open it? I need it. I couldn't imagine this shit. I couldn't imagine this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to the folks who came.
What is he doing?
There. Never mind. I guess you figured it out. Right here?
What's that song?
On the air?
We're back on air. The hell you take?
What? Okay,
Let me know when to play it.
Wait, we swapping again?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Okay.
Hey, we need some.
Y'all, they didn't see none of it. They didn't see y'all wash y'all hands. They gonna think this shit nasty. What you touching my mouth and shit?
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
I don't even know what she listens to. I hear Gucci though.
You're such a hater.
Ow, somebody
Butter?
that bitch in her damn stiletto ass nigga. My best friend. Hello, who is this? Oh, shot. I know this. Don't you dare! Y'all niggas ain't slick.
Hey.
Give me this. Yeah, give me it. Noonie, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Hey, she listening to that shit though. 18. Ah! Who is doing shit here? What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck
Is this oil on me?
I'm not gonna lie, twin. He tried to do that lot of shit.
I ain't gonna lie.
That shit
I ain't gonna lie. Oh, you yelling? Go piss me off even more. Are they yelling in my ear and shit trying to snitch when you was standing right there and letting this nigga do it though? Like what? It's crazy. And I still can't see y'all just let me stand here with the shit in my hand. I'm finna throw the whole pot.
Put that in the sink.
I'm finna throw the bowl. I don't know where the sink is, bitch.
Oh. Don't touch me though. You got oil and shit on you.
Oh my god, bro.
You smearing the oil and shit.
Me? I am?
How
Me?
much?
Where the oil?
A forkful?
Well, what is y'all talking about forkfuls? How the fuck you
How
feel
much
a
does it
fork?
say?
Y'all people.
Tablespoon. Turn off the light, bruh.
Stop, cause there's oil on the floor, ain't it? I don't fall.
This is it's your birthday.
What's that?
The song I listen to. Here,
No,
oh.
bitch.
What the fuck?
It's
No, bitch.
this butter.
Okay. And then where's going?
You gotta scoop it. No, you can't do it. Scoop that. Yeah, scoop it. Uh-huh. Bang it. Bang it. Hit it just like that.
Just like that.
Alright, get in there. Scoop it. Wait, you
Okay.
too much dip on your chip.
Okay. Calm down. Keep it cute.
Bang it. Bang it hard. Alright.
I'm
Alright.
talking about in it.
Do it one more time. One more time.
Okay. Wait, where did?
Alright. Alright. Okay.
Bonk.
How many?
Bonk.
2. Drop it. Huh? You put water in it? Why would you do that? Oh, she gotta mix it. Oh, you gotta mix it.
I never got to not talk.
Drop it, right?
Hey, bro, don't ever talk about my beats. Don't ever talk about my beats again. They ain't your fucking life. Talk about my shit ain't loud. These bitches done been through hell and back.
Hi.
Okay.
Miss Brielle. Now she can't. Now you can hold your girl.
Why I don't know this? I don't know this.
Push.
You a hoe.
Oh, I think I see this.
The biggest. You is a hoe. Hoe. Stop. This hurts my feelings.
Ow! Water, bro. I said somebody help me.
Wait, I didn't hear your ass.
That definitely hurt. Say hell.
Hey, that shit.